Enrichment to us is a service that we offer here that's for any dog. It can be for young dogs, it can be for old dogs, but the goal of Enrichment is to provide your dog with something enriching and fun for their day. For every dog, it's different. Sometimes we're working on tricks with dogs. We have every trick in the book. You know, it may be teaching them how to spin or how to bow or how to say their prayers, you know, how to shake hands. We also work on canine conditioning. So for a dog like that, we may do things like walking with them, a lot of stretches, a lot of work with pedestals. It doesn't mean that the dog is out of shape. It could just be for a dog that actually just needs to continue building up muscle and building up confidence. Another version of the enrichment day could be stunt dog training. So stunt dog training is kind of taking everything and putting it together in one. So it uses obedience, it also uses a little bit of agility, and then it uses trick training too. So enrichment training can be a big combination of everything. Why should you sign your dog up for enrichment? So they can have a great day. Enrichment is a way for them to get out of the house. You can actually enjoy yourself. If you have errands to run, go run the errands. You need to go to work, go to work. You don't have to feel guilty. You'll be able to get those little videos and pictures of your dog all day, and you know that they have been taken care of. And then at the end of the day, when you go home, you have no commitment. They can relax, they can, you know, do their own thing, and you can actually relax too.